All right, guess what's our new spotlight? Our epic good food boxes. That's right. It's 3 bundled. I don't have the third one with me because I sold it already. I need to get another one, but it's the burger one. It's that popular. Summertime we bring out the burger one, and it's that popular it's gone already. So if you really love the burgers and would love some other options like our Greek or Mexican, you get these 3 cool boxes together for 10% off, and each one comes with many different recipe cards for the seasonings provided. So there's 5 cards in each box, and they come with different meal solutions and jars depending on the flavor profile. So this is obviously the Greek one, so chicken and donair and Greek dressing and lemon dilly, which is my favorite. And then the Mexican comes with 3 jars so that you can make an awesome Mexican night many times. Guacamole, taco, and the poca picante, and again, 5 recipe cards. And the burger one is 3 jars with also 5 recipe cards. It's the big burger sauce, the burger seasoning, and the cheesy fries. So 3 awesome kits that are great for you to take camping, cottaging, as a gift, a hostess gift. Giving it to someone, maybe they're just starting out, brand new in their home, maybe going to college, anything like that. These are 3 awesome gift ideas, or for you just to have on hand when you're ready to have Mexican night or Greek night, or make your own burgers.